ఏషియాలోనే అతిపెద్ద సివిల్ ఏవియేషన్ ఈవెంట్ గా పేరొందిన వింగ్స్ ఇండియా 2026 హైదరాబాద్ లోని బేగంపేట విమానాశ్రయంలో జనవరి 28 నుంచి 4 రోజుల పాటు జరగనుంది. ఈ ప్రతిష్టాత్మక కార్యక్రమం కోసం కేంద్ర మంత్రి రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు బేగంపేట ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ కు వచ్చారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని భారతీయ విమానయానం సంస్థ భవిష్యత్తుకు బాటలు వేసేందుకు ఉపయోగపడుతుందని మంత్రి తెలిపారు. వింగ్స్ ఇండియా 2026 ప్రపంచ విమానయాన పర్యావరణ వ్యవస్థలోని కీలక వాటాదారులను ఒకచోట చేర్చి అంతర్జాతీయ పౌర విమానయానంలో భారతదేశం యొక్క పెరుగుతున్న పాత్రను ప్రతిబింబిస్తుందన్నారు.
Very good morning to all of you. I am right now at the Begumpet Airport in Hyderabad and we have officially inaugurated the Wings India 2026. This is the most important civil aviation summit that we do every 2 years, and this is one of the biggest in the Asia subcontinent also, and we are very proud to be hosting this kind of event from the Ministry of Civil Aviation. And we would also like to thank the government of Telangana for supporting and having us here. And this time the Wings India show, what we are confident to showcase is the strength of India in the field of civil aviation, especially in the manufacturing sector. You have all seen how the demand and the growth has been in the area of civil aviation. We have doubled the airports, we have doubled the passenger growth, we have doubled the aircraft fleet that we have over the last 10 years, thanks to the visionary Prime Minister Honorable Shri Narendra Modi ji and the kind of reforms that he has brought in civil aviation, especially the UDAN scheme. But what we are trying to do right now and for the next decade that is going to come is to improve the manufacturing ecosystem in the country. We feel that the manufacturing ecosystem is to cater for the domestic demand that is going to grow in the next coming 10 to 20 years. But also this can be a place, India can become a place for global exporter also for aviation, its components and its products. And that is what we are trying to showcase, and the summit is going to revolve around that majorly. And today we have also inaugurated the display of aircrafts. What you are seeing right now is the first 7879 series Boeing aircraft which has been specifically fitted for Air India. And this is the first delivery that has been done. And you all know that one of the major bottlenecks that we have in the aviation is the availability of aircrafts. We have lot of orders being given to let it be Boeing or Airbus, and the deliveries are just starting from this year. So I'm very confident but that in the coming year, with the coming of these aircrafts which are very specifically designed for Indian passengers, Indian consumers, that is going to give a lot of confidence to the aviation sector also. I've just checked the interiors also. They have been very specifically designed, very well done, and of global standards. That is the expectation the Indian passenger also has today. So everything is aligning. I feel that this year is going